Hello everybody, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I hope you all are enjoying at home and doing study also. So children, take your skill book. See, you have to take your literacy skill book along with pencil and eraser. Now come to page number 15. So children, I hope you have opened this page. In the previous session, we have learned about vocabularies. Those are these vocabularies and this was your homework. I hope you have completed your homework also. So I'll just review this. This is fig. This is a cup. Come on, give me the answer fast. This is a bat. Yes, you have completed this homework, right? You have done this homework. So give me the answer. Which picture is this? This is a sun. Very good. Pen. This is a, you have to give the answer in full sentence. Okay. This is a fan. What is this? This is a mat. This is a rat. And what is this? This is a car. Yes. Very good. So children, today also we are going to learn some more words. Okay. But today we have to match those words with the picture. So take your pencil and come to page number 1616. Have you opened this page? Okay. So what is this on this page? Match the words with the pictures. Match the words with the pictures. Okay. So children, tell me, what is this? While coming to school, where you keep your all the stuff, your textbooks, your notebooks, where did you keep? In the bag or in the briefcase? In the bag. So which picture is this? This is a bag. Very good. Next, where did you sleep? On the mat, on the sofa, on the couch, then on the chair did you sleep? On the table, then on the bed. So which picture is this? This is a bed. Very nice. And which picture is this? You drink milk, right? So, in which thing you drink the milk? Mug. Very nice. So, which picture is this? This is a mug. This is pen. Very nice. And what is this? This is a hat or cap. Hat. Very nice. Next, come to next picture. This is, which picture is this? Is this a train? Then, is this an aeroplane? This is a bus. Very good. Next picture, which picture is this? Where we do the plantation? छोटा जो plant होता है, हम लोग कहाँ लगाते हैं उसको घर में? Yes, in the pot. Very nice. So what is this? Which picture is this? This is a pot or box. P-O-T, pot. Very good. Next, come to this picture. What is this? Is this a me? Then this is a kid. Very nice. And this is a, come on, say me. Yes, this is a cap. See, there is difference in cap and in hat. This is a picture of hat and this is the picture of cat. Can you see the difference? Yes, जो hat होती है, it is round in the shape, but the cap, it is like this. Okay, children? So, now we will start this. Okay, I mean to say we will solve this. Match the words with the picture. Now, what we have to do this, here words are there. In these boxes, words are there. In front of that picture, we have to match the correct word with the correct picture. Okay, just now you have recognized those pictures, but now we'll read the spelling. Okay, first we'll read the spelling. Say M-U-G mug. Repeat after me. M-U-G mug. C-A-P cap. Put your finger in your book. Show me this magic finger. These are the magic fingers. Show me your magic fingers. Yes, these are the magic fingers. So this first finger, you have to keep it in your book. Book में रखना है आपको. Okay. So put the finger there and read those words. M-U-G mug. C-A-P cap. C-A-P cap. P-E-N pen. P-E-N pen. K-I-D kid. H-A-T hat. K-I-D kid. H-A-T hat. P-O-T pot. P-O-T pot. B-A-G bag. B-A-G bag. B-U-S bus. B-U-S bus. B-E-D bed. B-E-D bed. Okay children, Now what we'll do? Take your scale and we are going to match the words with the picture. Now which picture is this? This is a bag. Okay. So see the spelling of bag. Where is this? This is a mug, this is a cap, this is a pen, kid, hat, pot, B-A-G, bag. Very good. So what you have to do is keep your scale in a slanting way. Slanting way mane, see, I'll show you. See, what you have to do is, your scale you have to keep like this in a slanting way. Okay. Now B-A-G, bag, you have to join it. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Is this a table? No. Then what is this? This is a bed. What it is? This is a bed. Now read the spelling. Mug, cap, pen, kid, hat, pot, bag we have done already. Bus, B-E-D, bed. Take your scale and join it. Completed? Have you done? Okay. Next, which picture is this? This is a mug. What is the spelling of mug? Or from which letter it starts? Mug. M-U-G, mug. Come on, where it is? See? It is here. So, take the scale and keep in a slanting way. Yes, have you done this? Next, which picture is this? Pen or pencil or eraser? Pen. So, what is the spelling of pen? Say P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. So, mug, cap, this is pen. You have to join here. Can you see these dots? On those dots, you have to join. Okay. Now, next. What is this? This is a hat or cap? This is a cap and this is a hat. So, what is the spelling of hat? Come on, see. This is a mug, cap, pen, kid, hat. Say H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Join it. See, we have done this, right? Say B-A-G, bag. B-E-D, bed. M-U-G, mug. P-E-N, pen. H-A-T, hat. Come to downside. Next picture. Which picture is this? This is a bus. What it is? This is a bus. Okay. Now children, this is a cap. Remaining these words. Cap, kid, pot, bus and bed. These are the remaining. So what is the spelling of bus? Here it is. Say B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Okay. Now keep your scale in a slanting line and join it. Okay. Till here have you completed? Fine. Next picture. Yes. Is this a box or pot? Which picture is this? Where we do plantation or in the pot. So what is this? This is a pot. See, cap, kid, pot. What is the spelling of pot? P-O-T, pot. Say P-O-T, pot. Now whose picture is this? What we call to this? Is this your teacher? Then this is a kid. Very nice. So what is the spelling of kid? Here it is. Say K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. See, here it is. You have to join here. Okay. And last one. Which picture is this? Is this a hat or cap? Cap. So where is the spelling of cap? Here it is. Say C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. And you have to join it. Okay. Say B-U-S, bus. P-O-T, pot. K-I-D, kid. C-A-P, cap. Okay. Have you done this page? Okay. Now we'll go to next page. Now children, come to page number 1717. Have you opened this page? I hope you have opened this page. Now children, This will be your homework. Okay, you have to complete at your home. See, tell me which picture is this? This is a fan. Very good. Okay, so you have to search here the spelling of fan. F-A-N, fan. Here it is. Then you have to match it. Now, can you see this girl? What she is doing? She is doing some activity, right? She is doing something. So, is she singing? Then, is she skipping? Is she writing? She is reading? No. What she is doing? Look at her activity. It's looking like a run, right? She is running. So, tap, pin, mop, can, fan, nib, run. Yes, she is running. So, you have to join it. And what is this? Where did you get the water? From the kitchen? Your mama, she do that work, right? आपकी जो मम्मा है वो पानी भरती है ना, वो कहाँ से भरते हैं? Where did we get the water? From the tap. So which picture is this? This is a tap. Next, which picture is this? We do cleaning at home. Which thing we use that for cleaning? Yes, what we call to that? Mop. Mop, it is there. M-O-P, mop. Okay, next. What it is? Before this we solved one picture. In that pen was there, right? But children, can you see this? This is what we call to this. This pointed wala. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? What we call to this picture? Nib. What? Nib. I will show you. I have one pen. Another pen I have. Can you see this? This is a pen. This is a marker. But can you see this front side? This is a nib. Even though in this pen also, can you see this? This is called nib. Okay. So, this is a nib. Okay. Next, which picture is this? Is this girls? These are the girls. These are the women. Then, which picture is this? Can you see the men? These are the men, right? So, these are the men. Can you see the spelling of men here? Tap, pin, mop, can, fan, nib, run, men. M-E-N, men. Okay. Now come to next picture. What is this? Which picture is this? On the notice board we keep those pins, right? So this is the picture of pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. And what is this? This is a can. आप कोका-कोला पेप्सी पीते हो, right? You drink that. Okay. So वो जो हम लोग पीते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? जो चीज होती है जिसमें कोका कोला और पेप्सी होता है, what we call to that thing? We call it can. This is a bottle? No, this is not a bottle. This is a can. Okay. So children, you have to match here. Okay. Now come to page number. This is your homework. Right here. H W homework. Okay. Now come to page number 1818. So children, fill in the missing letters. Okay. Can you see these pictures? Yes, we have to write missing letter to complete the word. Okay. So now tell me children, which picture is this? Is this looking like a sink? Is this looking like a bucket? Is this looking like a mug? Then we take a bath, right? So which picture is this? Okay, fine. Where did you see this thing? आप ये जो चीज है कहाँ देखते हो? In the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the bathroom. Very nice. So bathroom में होता है. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? This is a tub. Very nice. Very good. So first letter, which word will come first? What is the sound of letter T? What is the sound of letter T? T wala? Yes. T. Table. So write here small letter T. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Say and write T-U-B, tub. Come to next picture. Is this a cat? We have learned these words. Okay, children? So, try to remember those words. Come on, याद करो क्या है ये? Is this a tiger? Then, this is a young one of one animal. Tiger का young one है. So, what is the name of this animal? Cub. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. This is the young one of tiger animal. So the name of this small बच्चा, small baby जो है, इसका नाम क्या है? CUB cub है. और ये किसका बेबी है? टाइगर का बेबी है. Right here, CUB cub. CUB cub. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Is this a crow? Yes, it's looking like a dove. Then which picture is this? Is this a zebra? Hen. Very nice. So hen. N. So which letter will come here? N. मैंने sound बोला है आपको. Now tell me the letter. N. N. Very nice. So right here, small letter N. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? This is a pan. Pan. N. अभी हमने ऊपर लिखा ना. So which letter will come? N. N. Right here, N. Say P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? This word also we have learned. T-I-N, tin. Repeat after me. T-I-N, tin. Say T-U-B, tub. Put your finger there. T-U-B, tub. C-U-B, curb. C-U-B, curb. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. Now children, can you see this? It's looking like your school bus, right? So which picture is this? Bus. So what will be the spelling of bus? Just now we have written. We wrote the spelling of bus. What will come? B-U-S. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Say and write. While writing say and write, बोल के लिखना है. B-U-S. Bus. Come to this picture, children. Can you see this? Now what we call to this picture? Say. Okay. Children, आपके घर में कोई बेबी है? जब हम लोग उसको खाना खिलाते हैं, while the baby was eating, or while we give the food to that baby, okay, while we feed that baby, we do one thing, right? Before the feeding, what we do, यहाँ पे हम लोग एक कपड़ा लगाते हैं, okay? We wrap this kind of, here we wrap, right? Here the body we wrap. So what we call to that thing जिससे हम wrap करते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या लगाते हैं? जो हम लोग खाना खिलाते हैं बच्चे को, या फिर आप भी जब खाना खाते हो, what you do? You lap, right? आप लैपिंग करते हो, यहाँ पे एक नैपकिन डालते हो. So while the feeding to that particular baby, what we do? ये जो बीब है, this is called बीब, B-I-B, बीब. What we do? उसके गले में हम लोग डालते हैं. We put that in his neck. Okay? Why? Because whatever we are feeding to that baby, it should not come on directly on his body. Okay? It should not spill directly on his body. So for that purpose, what we do? We use this bib. So write the spelling of bib. B-I-B, bib. Why we use this bib? Because whichever food we are feeding to that baby, it should not split downside. It should not spread a downside. For that purpose, we use this bib. Say B-I-B, bib. This is a bib. Say me in sentence. This is a tub. This is a cup. This is a hen. This is a pan. This is a tin. This is a bus. This is a bib. Now come to this picture. What is the spelling of pot? P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. This is a pot. Now write the spelling. What is the spelling of mop? M-O-P, mop. This is a mop. Come to this picture. Which picture is this? This is a hat. So what will be the spelling of hat? H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. This is a hat. Next, which picture is this? B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. So which letter will come? B-B. Tell me the letter. B. B for bed. This is a bed. B-E-D, bed. This is a bed. Come to this picture. Who is this? This is a man. Okay, so what will be the spelling of man? M-A-N. Man. Man. Say M-A-N, man. This is a man. Okay. So children, I hope you understand today's vocabulary which we solved, and which homework I have given you have to complete at your home. Also try to read these words again and again. Okay children? So I hope you understand today's lecture. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.